Hi. 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 Hi.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna tell you how you get a shout out from me. It's really simple. Okay. All you have to do is subscribe, and you have to go to my first video, like it, and comment that you want a shout out. It's that easy. I'll even show you how easy it is. So you go to my channel, Mr. Thank you for 100 or 200 subs. Also, thank you for 100 subs. Oldest intro, my new channel. I was on vacation. How I do my hair. And then you also, to get an intro, you have to go to my most popular video and say that you want an intro. And you have to like it. So bye, I'll see you later.